Today, we will talk about how to start a solar business. Let's have a look at the details. Are you looking to start your own business in the growing solar field? Solar is one of the hottest businesses around, and with the growth in alternative energy, this permanent trend is going to continue. Alternative energy sources are on the minds of everyone today, and this trend is going to continue. Oil prices are going to continue to go higher, and saving the environment is being tackled by lawmakers and entrepreneurs alike. Two of the biggest venture capital firms have recently shifted most of their funding to businesses that specialize in finding ways to save the environment and make money at the same time, and solar is at the forefront of this revolution. Find out how to become certified in your state. Most states require certification for most rebates and incentives. These certifications can take up to 2 years for approval, especially in states like Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey. Make sure you know what you're getting into prior to anything else. Create your business plan. The business plan will need to include financing options as well as where you will find customers at a minimum. Include costs, customers, contacts, and contracts in your business plan. Costs is pretty self-explanatory. They will include money to start your business as well as how you are going to collect from your customers and in what time frame these will happen. Customers is also pretty straightforward. Without customers, you have no business, and you need to figure out which customers you are going to target as well as how you are going to get those customers. Contacts refers to several different types of people. These will include companies you will turn to that will help you start your business, including capital and training sources. Contracts. One of the most overlooked parts of any business is having proper contracts in place. Contracts do cost a little money to get done, but not doing them can cause your business to fail from no fault of your own. Get started with your business. A few solar power related businesses are solar installation business, solar sales business, solar manufacturing business, solar parts business, solar tax credit expert, solar consultant, solar maintenance business, and energy consultant. You could get started some of these solar power related businesses with your business. Do the installation. There are numerous types of solar systems, but in this course, we are talking about rooftop PV systems. These are the most popular types of systems and are the most requested by homeowners. Get a solid customer base. Basically, the only way to get customers for your solar installation business is to go out and explain the benefits of solar and show potential customers pictures of different systems. Advertising does little beyond getting your name out, and solar systems get sold through personal interaction, not through a yellow pages ad. Develop a website. Another must for your marketing efforts is having a website. No high-tech business can do without a website. Utilize social media. This is a must with any solar business. By social media, we mean Facebook, Twitter, MySpace along with numerous others. You can open an account for free and then just post updates about what you are doing and the progress your business is making. You don't want to be spamming potential customers, but it is fine to provide them with discounts and even pictures of other installations you are doing. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.